YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming back at you guys with another video, and today I'm going to be doing my final look using the 39S palette. So this is the eye look that I created right here, and guys, I absolutely love this eye look. So if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. But before we get on with the video, I need you guys to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell down below. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. Hey guys, what is up? We're gonna do the last final look right now. So yeah, let's go. I'm just gonna push my hair back and let's zoom into the eyes. Okay, so I already did my eyebrows. I'm going to prime my lips. I'm gonna use my Born This Way concealer in the color Warm Sand. So that's what I'm gonna use to prime my lip. I'm gonna take my sponge from Morphe and I'm just going to kind of just blend that out on the lid. You can take a brush or whatever. Me, I go back and forth between brush and sponge, so it's whatever I feel like doing, I'll do. But yeah, so this is how everything looks like. Blend it. Now I'm gonna take my Fit Me powder and set the whole lid. I don't know, I like doing that. You could skip this if you want. If you hear anything in the background, it's my little mini fan. Oh my god, guys, it's been so hot and I don't have an AC nor a fan, so I'm imagining doing videos with a full-blown ring light. Like, you get so hot. So I decided to buy a little mini fan, which I'm so excited about. This is how it looks like. Let me show you. So cute. Let me just turn it off so you can see it. How it looks like. Isn't it cute? It's like a little bunny and it lights up. So cute, and it has like a little stand that goes like that. So it just goes. Isn't this cute? I got it at Amazon, so if you guys, I will leave a link if you guys are really interested. If you guys work in the office and you need like a little fan because you get hot, or if you need something for your vanity during the summer months, I think it's a really good buy, and it's cute and it looks cute in the dusk. So yeah, anyway, so let's go in with the palette. I don't even know what I'm gonna do, honestly. You know something? Let's work with the browns in the palette. So yeah, I'm gonna take my Morphe 433 brush and I am gonna go in with, this is called Dedicated AF. So I am going to put that as my first blend. So let's go. Tap off the excess. I'm going to switch out the brush because this brush, it really doesn't blend out well. This brush is really good for detail work right in the crease. I need something fluffier, so I'm going to go in with my MAC 286 brush. Going back in with that color, and I'm just going to just blend everything out because that needs to be blended. So I'm just doing back and forth, wind wiper motion, just to get that brown into the eyes. I'm going to deepen the brown a little bit, and I'm going to go in with Fair Game, which is right here. And I'm just going to deepen the outer corner of the eye. I'm just working the outer corners of the eye. Now I'm gonna go in with That's Tempting, which is this color right here. It's the same brush because I don't like using a lot of brushes. And I'm just gonna deepen it. I'm gonna keep working on the outer corners as well. I don't want that to be dark, honey. Kind of just dabbing it into the eyes like that, using that as a reference point, and then kind of just swirling it into the crease halfway. So now I'm going to take my LA Pro Girl concealer in the color medium beige. I take it in concealer, no biggie. And then I'm just going to cut the lips a little bit. I'm kind of just blending that edge out so it could be easier for me to, you know, add in some color into the edge. So this is how the cut crease is looking like. I'm going to do the other eyes and I will be right back. Now the cut crease is done. So now I'm going to be taking the color Pure Luxe, which is this color right here, which is really, really pretty. I'm going to put that all over the lid. But before I do that, I am going to just wet the brush. The brush that I'm going to be using to apply that shadow is going to be my MAC 233 brush, which is like double-sided. I'm going to use this side. Wet it with my NYX setting spray, which is the Bare Me one, and I actually like this spray. It's $10. Really can't go wrong with that. Applying that color in, but kind of just, wow. She is pretty, guys. Yeah, I like this. Now, to make it even more pop, I'm going to add Catch That Light. I'm going to add Catch That Light using my finger. Just going to place it on top just to add a little bit of pizzazz because this is a topper. Look how intense this looks. I'm just using my fingers because I feel like with the toppers it will work well with your fingers. I kind of made a mistake up here, but it's fine, I'll fix it. But I feel like this makes it like extra pretty, I don't know. Dust that away. Pretty. So let's see if you could tell the difference between this eye and that. I feel like the camera doesn't really pick up the shimmer of the toppers. I really don't think so, but can you tell the difference? I don't know. I see it in person, but it looks really pretty. It's intensifying the eye look, which I like. Yeah, it's hunty. Really, really pretty. Instead of winging it out, I think I'm just gonna add the black. There's like a sparkly black in this palette, which I just wanted, which is called Rocks On, which is this color right here. I think I'm just gonna add it in the outer corners of the eye, kind of just blending it into the outer corners of my lids. I'm just going to kind of just work it into the edge. Kind of just work it into really pretty. I'm just gonna go back in with my MAC 286 brush and kind of just blend out that dark color so there's not any harsh lines or anything like that. So this is how it's looking like. I'm really liking it. Okay, so I'm gonna do the other eye, add some lashes, finish off my face, and I will be right back. So I did pretty much majority of makeup, and I really like how this eyeshadow turned out. I really do. It is really pretty, and it just shows that this palette is really versatile. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do this for work tomorrow. Yeah, I really like it. So let's finish off the eye. I'm gonna take the Morphe color pencil. What I like about these pencils is that you could use it for your eyes or your lips. So right now I'm taking Trendsetter, and I'm gonna use it as a liner underneath my eye. Gonna do brown. I don't want to do black. I feel like it's gonna be a little too harsh for underneath my eye because I already have a little bit of black smoked out in the outer corners. Let me move in a little bit so you guys can see what's going on here. So I'm taking Trendsetter and I'm just gonna run it underneath my eye. So that's how it's looking like so far. And then I'm going to take a small pencil brush. I'm going in where it rocks on, which is the black color I put in the outer corners. So I'm just going to place it just underneath the eyes right here, just to deepen everything out. Just in the outer parts of the water line. Okay, so the eyes are pretty much done. I'm really pleased with how it turned out. I'm going to do highlighter next. Let me just spray my face. If I could find my spray, that would be great. I'm gonna take my Master Chrome highlighter in Molded Gold. I don't have any brushes, so I'm just gonna use this brush. This is my MAC 116 brush. I'm just gonna place it into my cheekbones, which is not too bad. I'm gonna take Morphe's color pencil in the color Vibes, and I'm just gonna outline my lips. Then I'm gonna take Iconic lip gloss. It's a lip plumper, actually, lip gloss in the color Nearly Nude. Okay guys, so this is it. This is the final look using the 39S palette from Morphe. I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope that my videos are helping you guys out. You could do multiple looks with this palette. I love browns and golds and stuff like that. I feel like it looks really nice in my skin tone. But guys, you could really make some fun creations with this palette. Like, I'm really excited, and I hope you guys enjoy the looks that I've created for you. They were all different from each other. I did a purple look, I did a cranberry look, and then I did like a just nice brown gold look using this palette. You could really have fun with this palette, like I am having fun with this palette. So let me announce the winner of the giveaway. So let me pull her up. Okay guys, so the winner of my first giveaway ever is Shell the Beauty Belle. So thank you guys. I'm going to leave her name right here. I'm also going to DM you and we'll work something out. We're gonna figure a way for me to send the palette to you. But thank you guys for everybody who participated in this giveaway. There will be so much more giveaways, I promise, in the future. Like, I'm already planning my second giveaway as we speak right now. I really want to make it even bigger than this giveaway. So keep a lookout for that. It will be here really, really soon, and I can't wait to like give back to my subscribers. And I really appreciate you guys' kind words. I love you. I love communicating with you guys, and I'm just so happy that you guys are enjoying my videos. And please let me know what videos you guys want to see from me in the near future as well. I want to continue to make videos that you guys want to see. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it. So congratulations to the winner. I will DM you, and yeah, we're gonna figure out a way to send that palette to you. So I guess that's pretty much it, guys. I'll see you guys in a few days with another video. Bye, guys.